What is up, guys? This is the Diamond Sword here with the Diamond Pickaxe, and we're trying to get Jamison's bird out.
Move.
The Diamond Pickaxe is actually, his real name is Jamison, and my real name is. Don't say my real name. I don't want people to know.
Zachary.
Yeah, my real name is Zachary.
Oh, she went into the garden. She went into the freaking garden.
Hey, get out of my garden! Get out of my garden! Get out of my garden!
I can't get her if she's in the garden.
I know, I'm telling her to get out of my garden. Get out of my garden! Get out of my garden! Hey, I'm wearing pajamas, don't judge me. Look at my pajama pants. I'm wearing pajamas, I'm wearing my shoes, and I'm wearing my face. Of course, I'm wearing my face.
Everybody wears their face, Zach.
Nobody wears their face, everybody has their face. They keep their face on forever.
Yeah.
They wear it. Ah, let me see. Put it on camera. I can't zoom in anymore for some reason. Something happened.
Stay here.
Stay where? And I'm going to put camera on you. No. Put her somewhere.
No, she's going to be fighting with me.
Oh. Just put her there. Because I want to film her. There's his thing. There's his diamond sword. Looks very cool. Whoa! Don't go there! Hey, can I at least get like a thing of her? Let me get like a thing. There's diamond pickaxes. The diamond pickaxe's bird. He has his own bird. Yes, that is his one and only bird for right now. He has other birds. He has like two more that are still living. Right? Is that it? Starburst the third and Starburst the fourth. That's Starburst the second. Starburst the first died.
You know I do. Come on. Give me a kiss.
He's trying to tame it. What's happened? Oh, look at its neck. It's parting. It's doing something. You better not poop on me. If you do, you're gonna be big trouble. Big cute trouble. Big weird. Why did I say that trouble? He's always cute. Okay, let's go. Wait, let me put my phone on her. So this is the bird. This is the birdie. Why you snapping at me? Don't snap at me. Don't you dare snap at me. Don't snap at me. Don't snap at me, man. Don't snap at me, girl. Don't snap at me, girl. Wait, what? There's another broken feather. It has another broken feather, Jamison. No. Look, it's right here.
I know. That's the one that makes her bleed. I got some wood, so here.
Oh. We're playing Minecraft, guys. We're playing Minecraft in real life. Well, we're gonna have best YouTubers battle. We're gonna see who's the best YouTuber. Isn't that right? Ain't that right?
Stop.
No.
Starburst 2. Is that right?
Say. Peck if that's right. Is that right? Is it right? Oh, she said it's right because I told her peck if it's right.
Because I did this.
Okay. See, she just pecked.
Because I did this.
Okay. Peck. See, she just pecked.
See, I did that.
Peck. Peck.
Oh my God, I'm sorry.
See, she's pecking.
Peck if you love me. Peck if you love me.
Peck if you love me.
She did it!
Peck if you know me. See, she just pecked.
No, because she's doing peck if you love me.
She loves me a lot. No, it's only because you're doing that. Stop it.
She loves me so much. She can't handle. She can't handle it. What keeps on loving me?
That's really funny.
Peck if you love me.
It's trying to
Peck
jump
if you
up.
love me.
Trying to jump up here.
She loves me.
It's trying to jump up here.
Oh yeah, that's good.
No, put it up here.
Oh, yeah.
Because I want to film it. Hey, look at the birdie. No, put it up here.
She was just
There, I put the wire up. Look. No. Come on, put her up here. Put her up here. He's looking at me. Hey. Get her down, get her down. No, 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 no. 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 No, 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 no.
I'm qualified.
No, 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 no. I don't know. Why did you do that? Why did you just say chirp chirp? Why did you say chirp chirp? Why did you say chirp chirp?
Chirp, chirp.
Why did you say chirp chirp?
Come on, come on. You know you're scared of me. Come on. Come on, I'm coming. I'm coming. You better run. You better run. I'm coming. I'm Dracula. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah.
I'm Dracula. If you go to my booth, then I'm gonna film her. If you go to my gold, then I will film her.
Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah.
Wait, wait,
Blah, blah,
wait.
blah. I'm Dracula. Blah, blah, blah.
Hey, you're being mean to the birdie.
Oh,
You're
no.
being mean to the birdie.
I'm teaching the bird a little
Why are you
lesson.
pinching the birdie? The birdie love you. Hi, birdie. Hi, birdie. What you doing, birdie?
Exactly, move.
Hey, what you doing, birdie? What you doing? Ow! Get off! Get off! Ow! She's gone. Where did she go? Ow, look what you did. Oh, look what you did to me. Look what he did to me. Look what he did to me. Look at this. Wait, wait, wait. Can you guys see that? Look at that. Look what he did to me. That's not good. That is not good. He's kind of mean. There's the tour of my backyard. There, this is the tour of my backyard. He's over there with the bird. That's Starburst, the second. Hey, wait. Let's hear. Wait, can we see her glide?
Whoa, whoa, whoa,
Let's
no,
see her
please.
glide.
Got my shoe. Make sure she doesn't move. Okay, so you want to see her glide? No, if you go in that
See her
yard,
glide.
you're dead. No, I don't want you going in.
He doesn't want you to be dead.
Okay, ready, set, go. Go.
The bird is going back in there. The bird. We're not trying to kill the birdie.
No, please don't move. Move, move. Oh no!
Hey, let's torture the bird for a second.
Yeah. I think I can reach there.
Stop trying to peck me. Peck if you love him. It likes him. It's his bird. It's not being scared. It's gliding. Yeah, but it's gliding. It likes to glide. Doesn't the bird like to glide? See? The bird glides like every day. Doesn't it?
I moved my scooter a little.